So what we're going to do is we're going to lube the backhoe for the first time. I got a fresh battery in here. I don't know how much grease is in it. We're going to start at the end and work our way back up and then go and do both sides. Okay, what do we got up top here? Pin on the top. Let's see it. Okay. We got one here. That looks good. Down here. We got the outrigger on this side, the end cylinder here. All right. It's over here quick. We got these two, those two, this one, this one, this one. All right, there's none up here. We got this one. We got this one up here. We got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then over here on this side, we got this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that's pretty much all of them for the backhoe right now. Oh, we missed this one here and that one there, so we got to get those now. I'm gonna go back over. You know, everybody says grease is good, but that's till it gets on you, and then you start touching everything and it gets everywhere. All right, so we are very, very close to putting this piece of machinery to work, to dig in the dirt for its very first time here. All right, okay, all cleaned up. All right, I got to get those two and get some grease in there, greased up. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this thing, I got to drop the ROPS bar, and we're going to pull this thing outside, and we're going to run it through all of its movements and maybe hit it again with some grease at some of the spots. It's probably no different than your loader. Sometimes your loader will take grease with the bucket turned down better. Sometimes it'll take it with it up on a different spot to try to get it through and around the pins. I know once I get it, the bucket pins, they were grease free except for the WD-40 I sprayed on them to get them through. So they'll need played with a little bit. It's the best way to say it. All right, let's get this thing outside. It sounds like there's a Indy 500s going on up at the racetrack today. So you'll get to hear a little bit of that in the background as I am moving around the backhoe. I don't know. I think it moves pretty good. I'm going to check my fluid level right now and make sure that it is full. I know you do lose some, so with that here, I'm going to end this. Everything seems to be working the way it should, just as a quick trial run. So I'm actually pretty happy. I got it in the upright locked position. Let's get this pin. Here's our dipper lock pin here. I guess that's what you call it. Put that in there when you're driving. Or moving, I guess. I'm not sure. On top of that, hangs in there, bounces around. Alright guys, that's what it is. Thanks for watching. And hopefully these backhoe videos help somebody over time. This was a really fun experience to get to bolt this thing on. Now it's time to use it.